Hello everyone, this is the fifth episode of my Flutter UI series. Today we're gonna explore Stateless Widget. So what is the Stateless Widget? Well, we already have seen Stateless Widgets in our previous videos. So Stateless Widgets are those widgets whose contents generally doesn't change in the runtime. I mean, if the widget have a pretty much static kind of contents, then that will be considered as a stateless widget. If the contents of a widget changes in the runtime, then there would be a stateful widget. Let's say if you have a text widget, and if the text of that text widget remains static, then that will be a stateful widget. A stateless widget. But if the text changes in the runtime, then that will be a stateful widget. So let's see with an example. Also, so far we have done everything in a single Dart file so far. Now today let's create a new Dart file. Go to the lib folder and create a Dart file. My stateless widget. Then import material.dart package, which will provide material kind of stuff, and then create the stateless class. My stateless widget, which will extend stateless widget class. Stateless widget. Okay. Then we have to override a special method, which is build method. So let's do it. We can manually override it, or else we can navigate the cursor to the class name and then press Alt Enter in Android Studio. Okay, we have overridden the build method. Well, now let's create a field here, string name, and then create a required constructor with a required parameter. This dot name. Okay, this is the parameter with a required constructor. And then let's return our widget. And I like to use container widget as a wrapper widget. Return container, and we can give it a margin as inserts.all 10.2. okay, and then as a child we can use a text widget here, text widget, and pass the name variable. Okay, this is our stateless widget, and this name will remain same in the runtime. Now let's call this class my stateless widget and pass a random widget here. Let's say bird, and we have to import this Dart file. We can import it manually, or we can use the shortcut way provided by the Android Studio, which is Alt Enter. Import it. Okay, now let's run. Here it is. This is the bird. Let's make it in the center. Okay, or else okay, let's make it in the center. Oops. As a child, this one. Okay. Also, we can stylize our text. So let's do it. Use the text, and then use a text style widget. We can change the color. Let's use a green color. I can change the font size 30.2 for now. Okay, beautiful. So that's our stateless widget. Okay, this text remains the same. Okay, this is our stateless widget. Let's see another new widget today, which is what if I want to use several other text here. Then we can use a column widget. Let's use this. A new widget, which is column widget. Column widget, we can put several other widgets as per our wish, like a stack, one on another. So as a child, here is a property which is children. As a children, we can pass our required widgets here. So let's say first of all my stateless widget and pass a string. This is the first children of that stack of that column. There it is. And then we use another one, dog. Okay. Yeah, this is a column widget. Okay. Now let's say we want this text at the center. So how can do this? How can we do this? For this, column widget has a special property which is main axis alignment. I'm explaining this. Main axis alignment dot center. So what is the main axis alignment for a column? Column's main axis alignment is a column. Okay. If you are using a column widget, then its main axis alignment will be a column and cross axis alignment will be a row. We can consider a row as a cross axis alignment of a column. Now let's see the result. Yeah, here it is. Main axis alignment, columns main axis alignment should be column, and at the center of this column we are putting these children. Okay, so far in this video you have seen our stateless widget and a column widget. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.